Ano yan, bebe? What are you doing?
Playing this game.
Ano name ng game na yan?
Oh. Jelly Run.
Jelly Run. Paano yan?
Like this.
Like that.
Yes.
I-combine mo yung number.
Yes. Oh.
Ang galing na. 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 8, 5, 12, 1M, 2M, 4M.
That means
ini-split din pala siya, no?
Yes.
16 and 32.
32 million.
32 million.
Yes, and you can skip this.
Okay, gusto ko i-try. One try.
Yes, but no, I hold it, okay?
Okay. Akala ko ba iti-teach mo ako? Paano ba?
I know.
Paano?
Okay.
Tapos
There's this ad.
just add. Then yan, start na.
And if you had a new one, there's like one of these to collect.
One of that.
And I wanna reach
1B. You know what 1B is?
1 billion.
1 billion. Okay. Oh, paano ba? Paano i-play?
Oh.
Akala ko ba i-help ituruan mo ako?
Yeah, that's how. You just wait.
Wait. Then split.
Split.
Go.
Go. Split. Go.
Combine. Split. Combine. Split.
Combat.
Get the 1M. And then it becomes 2M. Uy, that's amazing move. 8M, 16, 32. Oh, 64 na. And
That's how you play.
64M.
If you don't like it, you can restart.
Okay. Galing mo dun ah. Why'd you do that? Aba. Okay. Oh, dati na.
You just need to wait for the ad.
Wait for the ad. Grabe naman tong ad na to. Ang tagal-tagal. Skip. Ay, doon pala.
Just wait.
May ad pa rin. Okay.
No, you hold it like this.
You hold it like this.
Yes.
Start. Oh, di ko makita.
Split.
Split. Split. Tang. Combine.
Combine. Split.
Uy, galing ko. Galing ko.
Split. Combine.
Ouch!
Combine. Split. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Daddy, combine. Split. Oh my, you missed that. So it's my turn.
We want a cute and fluffy cat.
Yan po.
Not
Hirap
strong.
pala ron.
I had this game.
Yan na yan. Again. One more. One more ako.
Okay, split.
Combine. Split. Combine. Split.
No, you are.
Ouch!
Okay.
Ano
This is
ba
how
yan?
you play it. Combine, split.
Combine. Split.
Combine, split. Combine, split.
Galing ah.
Split. Combine.
No.
Combine. That's how you do it.
Ah. Uy, galing nga. 2, 5, 6. Galing.
Wait.